What up, world? Welcome back to 915 Beamer Garage. I'm your boy Law Dog. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to charge your BMW.
The blistering cake with debris. Chevrolet's got in the toe port while angry pills with glee.
Smoking mad Newports cause I'm doing court for an assault that I caught in Bridgeport, New York. Catch me if you can like the gingerbread man. You better have your gat in hand cause man.
So there's two different types of battery systems that you can use for your E34, or really for charging most BMWs. One of them is going to use the clamps that'll go directly to your battery, and another one will use a cigarette outlet. There's two ways to connect the battery tender to the E34. You will notice that there is on the passenger side a positive battery. Remove that, attach your positive end of the battery tender, and then the negative will actually just go to the chassis of the car. But again, you'll attach your positive to that little battery, that positive battery slot. It's made exactly for this reason, or for jump starting. But what I'm actually going to be doing is removing the battery, because I will be having the E34 touring in the garage for a while. I'm not planning to drive it anytime soon. I'm actually going to remove the battery completely, and I will be charging it in the outside of the car right here in the garage. So I'll get right back to you with that. So if you are going to be disconnecting the battery, you'll first have to locate it in the E34. It is behind the seat, so you'll just have to lift very firmly on both corners of the seat, about right here, about right there. Lift really hard. You'll be able to lift this, pull the seat out, and then you'll locate the battery and you will remove it.
Alright guys, as you can see in this clip, you're gonna have to remove the back seat from your car. Obviously, it's sitting right there. Pretty good condition if you ask me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? So this is what it looks like when you remove the back seat. It's not that clean, forgive me, but I've been trying to scrub some of that stuff, and I don't know what it is, but it looks good. It looks pretty clean. Oh, I already broke that.
Like, you're supposed to take the negative off first.
Oh, yeah.
You got it.
Here, you pull it and I'll hold the battery down. Cause no, for real, dog, like I can't do it.
Yeah,
Why I want to take a picture of my arm?
because it's the skinniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
That's
Bro, you gotta start lifting, man.
My moms hate me, forced to kick me out, no doubt. Then I figured out, niggas went for 20 down south. Packed up my tools for my raw power move. Glock 19 for casket and flower moves.
Well, I can do it now. I mean,
It was actually real easy right now.
yeah.
That's probably already off.
Dog.
I got some gloves right there.
Hey, screwdriver. Well, I only care about my hands, but I want to get shot, man.
I'm not gonna get shocked, dog.
Yeah, dog.
Really?
No, but
I always use my hands on that. You
Should
could
I?
get shocked?
well, I mean, if you cross, you're positive in the middle, like.
Oh, yeah.
You're shot, dog.
That's the only way, though.
Yeah, but bro, trying to get shot, dog. It's really that piece that's really dirty. That's a good brush, man.
Pretty good, huh?
It's not bad. For $2.99. See, it goes in here. That's where it really goes, the brush. And this one's obviously the cap, or the cap for that. What do you think, Boo?
Let's just pull it out now.
Yeah?
Yep. So
Well, I need to clean this too, actually.
that's true.
There's another thing holding it down.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
I need that. It's smaller too. Okay guys, so we did finally get the battery out. It was a pain in the A, obviously because of the way that it's angled up. It's a huge battery, as you can see here. Not much else to say, but it was not easy. How about that?
Catch me outside, how about that? Catch me outside, how about that?
What we're gonna want to do is plug in the charging system. So, want to be safe, not sorry. You know, make sure nobody gets electrocuted. I don't want to get electrocuted. And so the next thing we're gonna go ahead and do is make sure we have the negative away from any other obstructions or objects. And then of course we clamp it to the battery. Come over here to this awesome advanced charging system. As you can see, it says it is charging. A very straightforward, simplistic system. Caution. Read warnings on back and instruction manual before operating. On the very top of this mechanism, it says indicator light operation, right? It says flashing, red light flashing, AC power applied, battery not connected properly. It says if it's a steady red light, battery is charging. Green light flashing, battery greater than 80% charged. That's a good thing. And then a steady green light would indicate that the battery charge is complete.
Sitting back, counting double-digit thousands stacked.